Understanding speed dating. A quick guide to modern romance. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating and modern concept in the world of dating: speed dating. This term might be new to some of you, so let's dive in and understand what it's all about. Speed dating is a formalized matchmaking process with the purpose of encouraging eligible singles to meet large numbers of new potential partners in a very short period of time. Typically, participants have a series of brief dates that last around 3 to 10 minutes. After each date, they mark on a card if they would like to meet that person again. The organizers then collect these cards, and if there's a match, where both parties are interested, contact information is shared for them to connect further. The concept of speed dating was created by Rabbi Yaakov Deyo in the late 1990s as a way for Jewish singles to meet and marry. It was a novel approach to address the challenges of meeting potential life partners. This concept quickly gained popularity and is now a common practice in many countries, catering to various age groups and interests. During a speed dating event, participants are paired up with each other for a series of short dates. These dates usually take place in a public venue, like a cafe or a bar. Each pair gets a set amount of time to talk and get to know each other. When the time is up, a bell rings or an announcement is made, and participants move on to the next date. This process repeats until everyone has met each other. Benefits. Efficiency. You meet many people in a short period. Safe environment. Organized events provide a safe and controlled dating environment. Direct interaction. Face-to-face interaction can reveal chemistry and compatibility better than online profiles. Challenges. Time pressure. Limited time can make it hard to assess compatibility. Overwhelming. Meeting so many people at once can be overwhelming. Surface-level connections. The quick nature of speed dating might lead to superficial judgments. Speed dating is an interesting and efficient way to meet new people, especially in today's fast-paced world. Whether you're looking to find a romantic partner or just want to experience a new way of socializing, it's an adventure worth trying. We hope this video has been informative and helpful in understanding the concept of speed dating. Happy dating, and see you in our next video.